Change the channel!
Situated on the former Liverpool and Manchester Railway, which opened in 1830, Newton-Le-Willows train station was built in 1845 and opened by the London North Western Railway. Originally named Newton Bridge, it was renamed Newton-Le-Willows on the 14th of June 1888. When it first opened, it was also on a main LNWR line from London to Preston and Scotland, which is now what is known as the West Coast Main Line, thanks to a number of company mergers and acquisitions, namely the former North Union branch from Parkside Junction to Wigan North Western, also the Grand Junction Railway, which completed the curve round to Loughton on the 1st of January 1847. Merseyrail put proposals forward to redevelop Newton-Le-Willows in December of 2015. These proposals included a new south side entrance, a new ticket office at the south entrance, a bus interchange adjacent to the new ticket office, and 400 plus space car parking, including blue badge and wider spacing. Today's services go to a variety of destinations, with trains to the east going into suburban Manchester, with connections onwards into Yorkshire, Scotland and the south, while trains to the west either take the avoiding curve through Earlstown down to Warrington Bank Quay, then onwards to London that way, or down to Chester, or trains continue onwards through Earlstown, heading into Liverpool Lime Street. Today's shoot was filmed on the 26th of September and was filmed between 9 o'clock and 9:48. So let's get things started with our first ever Class 195 ride, as 195117 departs with the 0859 service for Northern Rail from Chester to Leeds. Next out to depart for Northern Rail is 319370, working the 0903 service from Liverpool Lime Street to Crewe via Manchester Piccadilly and Manchester Airport. As 68033 flies through with 1 Foxtrot 54 from Scarborough to Liverpool Lime Street, 802219 departs with the 0911 Transpennine Express service from Liverpool Lime Street to Newcastle, terminating early at Darlington. Transport for Wales now make their presence known as 158835 and 158824 work the 0917 service from Manchester Piccadilly to Llandudno. Another Transport for Wales service now as 175001 departs with the 0930 service from Llandudno to Manchester Airport. Next up is a pair of 195s as 195012 and 195009. Work the slightly delayed 08928 service from Leeds to Chester via Warrington Bank Quay. Transpennine Express return now is 802209. Works the 0941 service from Newcastle to Liverpool Lime Street. And taking us completely by surprise, 323237, working the 0948 Northern Rail service from Crewe to Liverpool Lime Street. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.